More bubbles. More bubbles for Casey. Hold on. Mommy, no, because you're gonna make a mess. You're gonna make a mess. I'll tighten it back up. No, you're trying to make a mess out of it. Good afternoon, everybody. Today is Thursday. So, yeah, it's still gloomy outside, but I don't mind it. It actually was sunny earlier, but now it's gloomy. What's wrong? I just turned the TV off on her because she's been having way too much TV time. So I'm trying to... I turned it off and I was like, you know what? Because she's like literally does not pay attention to nobody, nothing at all whenever this TV is on. Even if I try to play games and stuff like that with her, she doesn't. Is that a stick from an old cake pop? Where'd you get that from? Where'd you get that from? Wanna go out there? Yeah? Come on. Just don't throw them bubbles off the balcony. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. What are you doing? Thank you. You want me to blow bubbles out here? We can do that. We can do that. Yeah, because we're outside. Wow. Say wow. Because she can't hold it. Every time she holds it, she wants to eat it. No, you can't hold it in. Okay. I don't think she minds the taste of it, which is kind of gross. I cannot stand the taste of soap. You don't mind the soapiness, Casey? Today has been yet again another lazy day. I've been looking at like crime stuff all day long on my phone on YouTube. G's been watching TV most of the day. I want to go check out this park, the Splash Pad Park. I'm gonna see if Giovanni wants to come with me when he gets off of work, because I don't know if he wants to miss out on it. So I'm gonna wait till he gets home to see if we can go, because I really want to take her to a park. The problem is I don't know any parks around here because I obviously am not from Florida at all. So I want to go check out a couple of parks to bring her to, and then eventually I want to get her into play dates and be able to have some friends around here, because I feel bad that she doesn't. The park that they have here is like super tiny and there's nothing for her to do, and there was no kids over there, because we do have a park here in the complex, but that's it. We do have a pool though, so maybe I'll take her to the pool, except there's just a lot of teenagers down there and they make, you know, a lot of splashes and stuff like that. The last time we went one time and it was like that. If I keep you the bubbles open, then they'll go everywhere and you won't have bubbles no more. That's her way of throwing a tantrum. She throws things. I am so tired today. Oh no, time out. We don't throw. Like it? I don't know if she likes it or not. Rice, chicken, and vegetables. I don't know if she likes it. She hasn't tried meat yet because she doesn't want to try meat. So we haven't tried giving it to her yet. I don't know if she doesn't like the texture of meat or the taste of it, but she hasn't had any interest in trying meat so far. But there is chicken in here, so I don't know if she tastes that. That's why I say I don't know if she'll like it or not. She has been eating food pouches like every day. Here. She's been eating food pouches every day, and yogurt, cheese, bananas, like sweeter type of foods, and she does not want to eat vegetables. And even when I have them on this plate, she will not eat the vegetables out of there either. And that's been like that for a while now. So she threw a tantrum outside and we've been having timeout. What are you doing? Took a break because this girl is getting really fussy, so I made her a bottle. I'm gonna see if she will take a nap because I'm losing my mind. Here, you want to take a nap? Oh, also she was rocking that thing, so here. Here you go. Come on, let's go. Follow me. And now we wait to see if she takes a nap. If not, she's just gonna have to take one in the car. She's a little late for both of her naps today. She usually wakes up around 7 and then takes her first nap around 9, 10 o'clock, up by like around 11, 12. And then usually she'll take another one around 3:30, 4 o'clock. But today, it is already 5:30. So she's like and then she didn't take a nap till like 12. Didn't take her next nap right now. Well, supposed to be right now. She's like 2 hours late for her nap. So she's shifted 2 hours ahead of what she's supposed to be. So I hope she doesn't go to sleep super late tonight because that is where I'm nervous about. But I want her to wake up, so I have to get her to nap now because I want to take her to the park before it gets dark outside. So I hope she takes a nap. I'm gonna go get changed. Well, not changed, but freshen up, I guess. Giovanni's home. He's taking a shower though right now. Vacuumed up the floor, picked up her toys and everything. I haven't cleaned the kitchen quite yet, so I gotta get on that. No nap today? Looks like she's still struggling to take naps. You don't want to take a nap? You just ate your babu and just sat right back up? I tell her how. And she'll go. Yeah. Dad is taking a shower. What's going on? No nap today? No? No nap? Well, that's okay. You can nap on the way to the park, okay? Come on. Come on. Come on. Not doing a nap today, are we, Squish? You're so naughty. What are you doing? You make me so nervous. Look how close to the edge she is. Yeah, mommy phone. Yeah, there's mama phone, huh? Yeah. Oh my god. Burp. I like how she swipes. She goes like this. Like the screen. Look. I love when she does it. It's so cute. She looks like a mom trying to learn how to use a phone. Rally. Oh no! Say hi. Bye. Hi. Say hi, friend. I changed her into this because she spit water out. She was drinking her water over sippy, spilling all. I just let her do it. I was like, I'm not even gonna fight her this time. Not gonna yell. I don't feel like yelling at her today. I was like, just do it. So she got her entire shirt full of water. She got water in the carpet. So I was like, whatever, I'll just change her. I changed her into a dress. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, Giovanni went to go take Riley to the bathroom, and now I'm going to freshen myself up just a little bit. And when I say freshen up, I mean fix my hair. Hello. Oh, she's always following me, but I want to dye it or do something with it. I just don't know what to do. I need to start being a woman and stop being such a mom and a man, because I cannot keep dressing like this, you guys. I gotta do something with myself. I am 23 years old. All right, but let me just fix myself a little bit. Straight into a ponytail it went. I couldn't even do my hair uninterrupted, but now I need to clean up this mess that she made while she was in here. Okay, so what I was trying to show you earlier was that the splash pad park is closed. So we ended up just going to Target and Pampers. Oh, sorry, I stripped on something. Getting Pampers, necessities, getting some groceries, and things to try and get this girl to eat some food because she don't want to eat nothing. It's so cute. My grandma got her this for her birthday, and she loves going in it. She just be chilling. So we just decided we're gonna go on a walk around our apartment complex, and I don't know, maybe find a trail or something. Are they? Yeah. Since Giovanni says he knows a trail.
Not really a trail, but I just know there's a trail that can go into the Millennium Mall. Mm-hmm. Follow it. You don't have to exactly go all the way to the mall.
Yeah. Okay. Do you see the waterfall? Or fountain? Yeah, that's what it's called, a fountain. You see the fountain? You look right there. Oh, it's from your buckle. What did you just say?
Fanta.
Go! Go, baby, go! Go, baby, go!
Okay, just worry about that.
She's just running around.
Run her diaper at this point.
We are home. Okay, so Target haul. We got wipes. We got diapers. Yes, my 1-year-old is in a 7. I don't know what to do after that. Someone please give me advice. Bunch of Target bags. It's like our, you know, we always have those. We got portable protein packs. I don't know if they're for Geo or if they're for Squishy. We got Goldfish, Red Hot. We got Teddy Grahams, chocolatey chip flavor. Pans, dirty pans. Is that all we got? Oh, we got A&D as well. No. We have these traps on the floor for the roaches. Which, by the way, we've had 1 roach since we've lived here. But it died from one of these traps, I believe. Off topic. Yeah, we have those, and she's always digging into them, so I always have to put them up. But that's all we got. Actually, we got one more thing. We got these diaper. So we got like a little diaper pail for her, and we got like these little diaper pail refill thingies. But then other than that, that's all that we got from Target, y'all. We just ran a bath for her. She's naked running around because we're gonna throw her in the bath here in a second. I'm just letting her burn out some energy. Are you ready to take a bath? You're so cute. This is what she looks like when she gets out of the bath.
Cheese?
Cheese.
I can't get my eye out.
She's about to go to bed though too.
I know, but I might as well try to finish that little.
Here. She's saying, I'll take some cheese. I am super tired and I'm going to go to sleep early tonight if I can go to sleep. Last night it was hard for me to fall asleep and I don't know why. Baby is asleep now, so we're gonna go to bed. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you turn on the notification bell to get notifications for whenever I post, and then make sure you guys click the subscribe button down below so you can become a. I always screw that part up. Oh, sorry. So you can become a part of my little family. Oh my god. So you can become a part of my little family, huh?
Like it's like why do you try?
With me, Giovanni, Squishy, and Riley. And I will see you guys in a couple days. Bye, guys!
Darling, you